creating a strawberry cherry smoothie this time using almond milk. So add enough to about 3 cups. About 750 milliliters. Then you add the frozen bananas, which are here. You got them here. Then you add about 200 grams worth of frozen strawberries. They're here. Then you add the frozen. These are actually okay. They're blueberries. So blueberry strawberry. So you add these here. Then you have peanut butter. This is about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So that are here. Then you can add ice if you want. About maybe 5 or 6. And he's got the blender like this. I'm using almond milk because almond milk tastes better with the peanut butter, has a better taste. I was originally going to use orange juice, but I changed my mind, thinking that this is better with peanut butter. So we set it for about 2 minutes. Make sure this is fine. Start it again. That's it. As you notice, I use that device to push the ingredients closer to the blend, so it leads, so that the blender doesn't stop. Again, so that's it. And this is how I made a blueberry strawberry smoothie with some almond milk, little thicker almond milk. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I'll send the recipe with you in the comments. Well, thank you.